कौबिले गारुडशैलमध्ये कृपावशात् कल्पिसन्निधानं లక్ష్మణం రమాలింగవామం లక్ష్మీ నృసింహం శరణం భగవద్దే. వీళ్ళు యుఎస్ఏ నుంచి వచ్చారు, అమెరికా నుంచి. ఇద్దరు ఫారినర్స్ మన దగ్గర విప్రమలాయ్ సదన్లో స్టే చేశారు. వీళ్ళు మన ఫుడ్ హోటల్ గురించి చెప్తారు. కొంచెం
Yes. What's the name of your guest house?
Vipramalai.
Vipramalai Sadan.
Yeah.
Tell us when. Okay. Welcome to Vipramalai Sadan. Now, me and Sudarshana have had such an amazing time. I'll let him give his opinions, but mine is, I really appreciate Kumar and his good wife Gayatri and this beautiful guest house in Ahobalam. I've been coming to Ahobalam for 28 years, and I've known Kumar a long time. And I was so happy when he built a guest house because it's very clean, and his wife cooks really pure Sattvic Brahmin food, and they're very wonderful people. So if you're coming to Ahobalam, everybody try to stay here with Kumar and his wife Gayatri. They'll look after you very nicely. That's my opinion and my experience. What about you, Sudarshan?
Yeah, this is the best hotel that I've had almost in India, because this is a very holy place and there's a lot of pilgrims coming here. And sometimes it's difficult to find a good quality guest house, but every time that I come here, it's clean, the food is pure, it's some of the tastiest food that I've ever had, with the real homemade ghee, the real homemade pickle, the real homemade everything, sambar powder, everything. Food is perfect, and the rooms are perfect with the, you have some special lights. This is the best guest house in the Ahobalam, and I highly recommend to anybody coming here for even just a couple days or long term. It's a great experience.
Amazing. And this is Kumar's good wife Gayatri. She's such a wonderful person. And what's nice also is they both speak English. So for the Westerners that come here, we know a lot of Westerners, from Europe and Russia and America that come to Ahobalam. This is a fantastic place. And also, you'll be able to get this book from them eventually, which features Ahobalam. Which is a fantastic appreciation of Ahobalam, which, if I can find it, is right here. Look, this Penchalakonda, this is Ahobalam. So soon, Kumar and Gayatri will have this, and you can purchase it from them when I get more copies ready. Old photos of Ahobalam when people used to be able to do puja. So yes, thank you, Kumar. Thank you, Gayatri. Appreciate it. Oh, come. Thank you, Kumar. Thank you, Gayatri. We really appreciate it. Jai Nrsimhadev. Everybody.